In this video, I'll show you how to convert USD to USDT on Bybit using the mobile app. First, open the Bybit app and log in. Make sure you already have a USD balance on Bybit, either from a fiat deposit or from selling crypto into USD. On the bottom menu, tap Trade, then look for the Convert option, sometimes under Trade to Convert or a small swap icon. On the Convert screen, in the From field, select USD, and in the To field, select USDT. Enter how much USD you want to convert. Bybit will show you the preview, including how much USDT you'll receive and the current rate. Check the numbers carefully, then tap Convert/Confirm to finish. If you don't see Convert, you can also use spot trading. Go to Spot, choose the USDT/USD pair, select Buy USDT, set market, enter the amount of USD, and tap Buy. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.